Hello everybody. On behalf of the Extramural Committee of Kaher Institute of Physiotherapy, we present to you a short video on the occasion of World Vegetarian Day. I hope you enjoy.
Hello everyone, we the interns of Kaher Institute of Physiotherapy, Belagavi, we would be informing you all about World Vegetarian Day. It is celebrated on 1st October. Vegetarian Awareness Month lasts throughout the October month. It is also known as Reverence for Life Month. World Vegetarian Day was first started back in the year 1977 by North American Vegetarian Society. It was endorsed by International Vegetarian Union in 1978. Its main purpose was to promote joy, compassion, and life-enhancing possibilities of vegetarianism. It was started to bring awareness about humanitarian benefits of vegetarian lifestyle.
Did you know that roughly 1 in 10 people around the world are vegetarian? Shocking, right? It's more than you expect. A lot of people are also surprised to learn the fact that India is the country that has the lowest meat consumption around the world. According to a fairly recent study comparing a meat based diet and a plant based diet, it was found that people who consume meat based diet received indirect proteins, causing one body to take longer time to digest it. On the other hand, those who consumed a plant based diet were found to have a higher intake of direct proteins, as the human body is built to digest plant based diet easily.
Do you know that the year 2016 is considered as the International Year of Pulses? Well, pulses have always been an essential part of human diet for centuries. And why not? They are so nutritious. They are in fact called as a powerful superfood. They are a good source of proteins, they are a good source of dietary fibers, they are rich in minerals like iron and zinc, they are rich in vitamins B. They also have low fat content and are gluten free. There are so many advantages of including pulses in your diet. They reduce your bad cholesterol and thereby reduces your risk of getting heart diseases and diabetes.
Everyone, I'll be talking about the benefits of green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are an important part of a healthy diet. They contain many minerals, vitamins. The important vitamins present are vitamin A, K and C. Vitamin A helps in maintaining body's immune system. Vitamin C helps in maintaining healthy skin, and vitamin K helps in healing of the body whenever required. Other than that, green leafy vegetables are also packed with potassium, magnesium and iron. Magnesium helps in maintaining normal muscle health. Hence, it's important to include green leafy vegetables in our everyday diet.
Persons following a vegetarian diet tend to consume a high proportion of fresh, healthy and plant-based products which are rich in antioxidants and fiber. When a person decides to follow a meat-free diet, they often become more active in making healthy lifestyle choices.
According to the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, an evidence-based review stated that persons consuming vegetarian diet were at lower risk of developing ischemic heart diseases and coronary artery diseases.
Vegetarians consume less saturated fats and cholesterol compared to meat eaters. They consume more vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, magnesium, folic acid and phytochemicals. Phytochemicals include carotenoids and flavonoids. Phytochemicals help in the functioning of the immune system, they reduce inflammation and they slow the growth rate of cancerous cells.
Vegetarians tend to have an ideal BMI, that is body mass index. They also have lower chances of developing various cancers and other chronic diseases. Vegetarians appear to have low levels of low density lipoprotein, low blood pressure, low cholesterol, low rates of hypertension, and metabolic diseases like type 2 diabetes mellitus.
Eating lots of vegetables necessarily means consuming a lot of fiber, which helps to push out the waste from our body. Meat contains no fiber, and thus there are few instances of hemorrhoids and constipation in people following a vegetarian diet.
A vegetarian diet is often lower in sodium. Vegetarians are less likely to form kidney stones or gallstones.
According to studies, good news is vegetarians have a longer lifespan.